Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you if your radio is like when you turn off your car and you turn it on, and if it's still starting from the beginning like this. One second. Okay, whenever you start the car and you're gonna see the logo and then Android, then it's gonna come back. When you turn off your car and wait 10 seconds, and this whole process is gonna repeat it by itself. That's why how you're gonna prevent that. Basically, there's a sleep mode. Okay, there is a sleep mode. Go to car settings, common, and sleep mode on. That means when you turn off your car, the radio is gonna sleep. Whenever you turn it on, it's gonna go back to normal. Let's go ahead and try. Wait 10 seconds because the car electricity is gonna be gone after 10 seconds when you turn off the car. Now it's okay. See, because it's sleeping, whenever you turn it on, it's gonna be on. Let's wait 10 seconds. Let me go ahead and try. See? Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.